Hello internet, welcome to my channel. Ken is my name. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple trick that is going to help you save the amount of data that you consume while uploading videos on the internet. It doesn't matter whether you're uploading videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even websites. Now this trick is going to help you save some extra amount of data while uploading video. This application is called HandBrake, and surprisingly it's free of charge. I'll link it in the description below so that you'll be able to download it and also get into saving. One good thing about this application is it kind of helps you retain quality despite compressing the video to a much more smaller size. So let's dive into the application. So HandBrake looks like this when you just open the application. This is how it looks like. Then of course I'll just drag and drop a video. I'll get this video here. Let me just put this on the side. This video. Let's see how big this video is. For purposes of this tutorial, I'll use this video. It's only 3 minutes long. So as you can see, it is 179 megabytes. So let's see how this application actually performs. So let's drag this video and drop it here. Bang. Okay. When you're here in this window, the buttons you're gonna use mostly is this start encode, and then you have the presets. Then you have a video, audio, blah blah blah, and all these others, dimension as well. When you drag a video, immediately you get a summary. No, this is a summary of the preset that you're gonna be using. This is a summary of the preset that you're gonna be using. So they're telling you you're using H.264, 30 frames per second, AAC, a stereo, foreign, blah blah blah. Okay, that's not what we came for. So let's go. So when I am here, my favorite preset is when I come here to presets, I come to general. So when you're under, of course, devices, it shows you the different devices that are supported here, the formats for different devices. Then when you come here to general, this is my favorite, it's the one I always use. So you can come to fast, 30 frames per second. So my video is originally in 24 frames per second or 23.97 frames per second. So I'll come here in video right there. Of course, H.264 is algorithmically friendly, so you want to use H.264 while encoding your video. So like I said, my video is originally in 24 frames per second or 23.96 frames per second. I'll come here and down drop, and then I come and select 23.976 frames per second. So after that, when you move this to the left and to the right, you realize that that constant quality is changing, the RF value is changing. So it's recommended that usually 18 is fine, and also 23 is just fine. So anything greater than 23 is not good, and anything lower than 18 is not good. Personally, I use 22 there. So when your constant quality is at 22 and you've set up everything, then of course you have to come here down where it says save as. Then you have to give your video a name. Let's call it HandBrake first video encode. Then you come and hit browse here. Then of course you have to choose a folder where you need to save. For purposes of this tutorial, I'll put it on the desktop. Hit save, and then of course you come and here hit the encode button, and then voila, let's sit down and wait and see how fast this is. The speed at which the HandBrake encoder really works is dependent on the speed of your PC. I'm personally running 4 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs of hard disk space. We shall not wait until this finishes. I'll speed up the video on this part so that I don't have to waste your precious time. Okay, we are right back. This has finished encoding. Now let's go and check out what has become of the file that we added to HandBrake. Here it is originally. Let's compare. This is 179 MBs, and this is the one that we converted. 15.3 MBs. Okay, let's play them and see the quality of each. Okay, let's play the first one, which is the original file. Clearly you can tell that the original video is very crisp, very clear. I decided to forward it so that you can also look at the words from this Twitter screenshot. It's very clean, very sharp. And then the other video that we converted using HandBrake, you can also see it's also still clean. Yeah, sharpness is still there, though of course there's a little bit of quality that is lost. Also the words from that Twitter screenshot are still clean and sharp. So overall, I think HandBrake is a very good tool regarding reducing the file sizes and compressing them so that you're able to save that data while uploading content on YouTube, Facebook, and on the internet. Give this video a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down and say hi to your mom. I'm out of here. I love you.